The mountain village awakens as soft sunlight casts a golden hue over the peaks. Zoya strides confidently along the dusty path, her bag of books a testament to her unwavering resolve. The village unfolds in picturesque beauty, nestled among green slopes with a flowing river. Each step echoes her determination, undeterred by the challenging journey ahead. She pauses, her silhouette framed against the majestic backdrop of the mountains. The golden sunlight reflects in her eyes, mirroring the hope and determination that fuels her journey. Against the backdrop of a dilapidated school, Zoya's arrival marks the beginning of a new chapter. The broken door and aged walls tell tales of neglect. Zoya surveys the school with hopeful eyes, seeing not ruins, but a canvas for change. This is where Zoya will unleash her potential, a place where she will make a difference. She steps forward, ready to transform the space into a place of learning and growth. The school awaits its revival, ready to embrace the winds of change brought by Zoya. Inside the humble village school, children gather with bright eyes, eager for knowledge. Worn books lie open in eager hands, promising stories and adventures. Zoya enters, her smile radiating warmth and hope, ready to ignite young minds. The classroom buzzes with anticipation as Zoya prepares to share her wisdom. In the village school, sunlight bathes the room as children gather, their eyes filled with anticipation. Zoya asks gently, "What are your names, and what do you dream of becoming?" Hassan responds with bright-eyed resolve, "I want to become a doctor, so I can heal people in our village." Aisha shares her dreams. "I want to be a teacher, just like you, Zoya. I want to help other children learn." Zoya, deeply moved, vows, "Your aspirations move me deeply. I vow to help you achieve your goals." On the tranquil riverbank, Zoya sits, embraced by the fading light of the setting sun. The river whispers secrets as Zoya leans over her worn diary, capturing her deepest thoughts. As the diary reflects the sunset's glow, Zoya's voice echoes, "The river flows, indifferent to my struggles, yet its persistence is a lesson." Zoya declares with newfound resolve, "I will not be deterred. I will find my strength in this moment, in this place." A mountain path winds into the distance, under a bright, unforgiving sky. Barefoot, a young boy emerges, his tattered clothes a stark contrast to his determined gaze. He stands before the school, a solitary figure against the backdrop of learning. "I have come from far away to learn." His voice echoes with the weight of his journey. Zoya looks at the boy, her heart touched by his resilience. A moment of silence hangs in the air, filled with unspoken understanding. In the sun-drenched village, dust swirls around an old woman's weathered face as she stares at Zoya, her eyes filled with skepticism. Zoya gestures softly, her eyes reflecting the hope she carries for the village's future. The old woman challenges Zoya. "What is this education you speak of? What good does it bring?" Zoya responds with unwavering conviction. "Education is like a lamp in the darkness. It offers a brighter future for our children, a path out of ignorance." Sunlight bathes the village school as children sit at their desks, hope and curiosity filling the air. Zoya turns to Aisha, noticing the sadness etched on her face. "Aisha, why are you always so sad?" Zoya asks, her voice filled with concern. Aisha's eyes reflect deep sorrow as she reveals, "My father, he doesn't believe girls need education." Zoya's expression hardens with determination, refusing to accept such injustice. "That's not true. You're smart and capable," Zoya insists, her voice ringing with conviction. "Don't let him stop you from pursuing your dreams." Ahmed enters the village school, his limp a testament to his resolve. His face, etched with a mix of determination and pain, tells a story of resilience. Other students chat quietly, unaware of Ahmed's struggle, as Zoya watches him with admiration. "I did not want to miss the lesson, even with my foot like this," Ahmed declares, his voice filled with determination. He continues. I walked 3 kilometers, Zoya whispers to herself. Such dedication. As dusk descends upon the mountain village, Zoya stands vigil at her window, an approaching storm mirroring her inner turmoil. Dark clouds surge over the jagged peaks as lightning momentarily reveals the village nestled below. The wind howls intensify, and the window rattles violently as nature's fury underscores Zoya's resolve. Despite the tempest, Zoya finds strength in the storm's message. Nature is telling me that difficult times pass, and hope remains. I must not lose heart. Beneath the vast sky, a weathered farmer stands, his face a roadmap of time, as Zoya listens with rapt attention. He speaks of his son's newfound skill. My son is now helping me with calculations. His education has made all the difference. Nearby, the son works diligently, his labor a testament to the transformative power of education. Zoya, bathed in sunlight, absorbs the farmer's words, the gentle breeze whispering through the crops. In the serene expanse of the field, Zoya feels a swell of purpose. Zoya's heart swells with accomplishment, knowing she is making a difference. Zoya sits alone, the silence of her room amplifying the ache in her heart. The soft glow of the bedside lamp casts a gentle light on her face, revealing the deep longing etched in her eyes. She clutches a worn photograph, her fingers tracing the smiling faces of her family, each touch a silent echo of happier times. A wave of nostalgia washes over her, the memories both a comfort and a painful reminder of what she has lost. Amidst the sadness, a spark of determination flickers within her, a resolve to carry on for those she loves. She picks up her diary and pen, ready to pour her heart onto the pages, each word a testament to her strength. In the heart of the village, influential figures gather, their faces marked by worry as they confront the school's potential closure. The silent school bell tower looms over them, a stark reminder of the vibrant life now threatened. Zoya overhears their grim discussion. Each word strikes her heart with chilling force. Though devastation washes over her, Zoya's eyes ignite with unwavering resolve as she clenches her fists, prepared to fight for the children. Under the morning sun, Zoya's solitary figure commands attention in the village square. Her voice rings out, challenging the quiet apprehension of the villagers. The faces of the villagers reflect a mix of curiosity and deep-seated fear. Zoya's voice echoes, "Consider the future of your children. Education is the greatest treasure of all." The morning sun casts long shadows, accentuating the gravity of Zoya's words. Her unwavering gaze pierces through the doubt, seeking to ignite a spark of hope. Sunbeams illuminate the village school, where dust motes dance in the light. Zoya stands before her eager students, her kind eyes reflecting warmth and encouragement. Zoya claps her hands, announcing, "Children, I have an exciting announcement. There's an educational competition being held in a nearby town next month." The children erupt in whispers and nervous murmurs, a mix of excitement and apprehension filling the room. Zoya reassures them, "I know it sounds daunting, but I believe in each and every one of you." Zoya encourages, "Start preparing now. Remember, it's not about winning. It's about the effort you put in and what you learn along the way."